Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial on how to buy Safemoon. I just want to make clear this is a complete gamble and this is not financial advice. It's a really risky investment, but if you do decide to buy it, this is how. So first go to your exchange. I use Binance. Go to your wallet. Search for BNB. Buy some BNB. We're just going to buy £20 for now. Press continue. Blah blah blah, buy it. Confirm. So now that we've bought some BNB, you want to go to the Chrome web store and type in MetaMask. Install the Chrome extension. I'll put the link in the description. Once you've installed MetaMask, go through the steps and create an account. I've already got an account created, so that's why I've already logged in. But it's self-explanatory to create an account. MetaMask is basically a wallet that lives in a browser extension, so it can hold all your cryptocurrencies. Once you're all logged in, click on your profile picture, go to settings, go to networks and click add network. Here, I've already done it here, so once you click add network, copy and paste these three things in. These are optional, these will just fill automatically, so you don't need to worry about these two. But I'll put this in the description. All you need to do is copy and paste. And then press save. And then you should be on the Binance Smart Chain. Make sure that is clicked, that's really important. The next step is actually sending this BNB that you've bought to your MetaMask wallet. So to do that, click withdraw. To get the BNB address that you're sending it to, go to your MetaMask wallet, click the account up here. This will copy your account address, your wallet address, and so then click on it, paste it, and transfer network. We want to select Binance Smart Chain because that's what we selected earlier in the drop-down menu here. So make sure it's on the Binance Smart Chain, and then withdraw however much BNB you want to withdraw. Double check you've got the correct address, because if you send it to the wrong address, there's no way of getting it back. So make sure you got the right address and the right transfer network so you don't lose your funds. And if all that's okay, press submit. You can see that it's in my wallet here now. This process didn't take too long. It was only about a minute till it arrived. Next, I would recommend looking at the chart so you can find a suitable entry point. If you do want the link to this chart, it's in my description. This is the last stage now, so click the link in my description, the PancakeSwap link. This imports the custom Safemoon token. Just click I understand, continue. Then go to the top right corner to connect your MetaMask wallet to PancakeSwap. Click MetaMask. And I've already logged in here before using my MetaMask, so that's why it remembers me, I think, but you might have to log in there. It will be self-explanatory anyway. Then from here, all you do, click max or however much Safemoon you want to buy. I already own some Safemoon, so your balance will be 0 though. Now this is the important part. You need to click the cog up here. Change the slippage to 11. Now all you do is click swap, confirm swap. Okay, if this error comes up, just change the slippage to 12. Sometimes this happens, no big deal. 12, press swap, confirm swap. Now you'll get a confirmation up here stating the gas fee. Just confirm that. Now it says we've swapped our BNB for Safemoon, and if we go to our MetaMask, we can see our Safemoon has been updated. So you've got this far, but now you're wondering, how do I see my profit? Go to the link in my description, the BSC scan link. All you do is copy and paste your address, attach it to the end of this URL, and then you can see how much money you've got in Safemoon. So this is my profit plus how much I've invested and my balance. You can also see how many holders Safemoon has here. You can earn free Safemoon just from leaving it in your MetaMask wallet. As you can see, this number is just going up because every time someone sells, a portion of it gets distributed to other Safemoon holders. If you want to sell your Safemoon, all you have to do is click the arrow to change Safemoon back to BNB, however much Safemoon you want to sell, and then just swap it back, and then it should arrive back in your MetaMask. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you found it useful. Leave any questions you have in the comments. Also, if you want to join the Safemoon Discord, I've left a invite link in my description. It's full of the Safemoon community. If you found this useful, I'd appreciate a like. Thank you so much.